Hi everyone, my name is Yanick and welcome to the lick of the week number 2. Welcome to my channel. Here we talk about saxophone, but we also do music tutorials. So if you like that type of content, consider subscribing and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. So today we're going to look at a lick that will go over a 2-5-1 progression, a major 2-5-1 to be more precise, and it's going to be in the key of A for tenor sax. So we're going to have 3 chords, B minor 7, E7 and A major 7. So B minor 7 is going to be the 2 chord, E7 is going to be the 5 chord, and A major 7 is going to be the 1. So 2-5-1, which is a very common progression in jazz. So that lick, you might have heard it before because it's a pretty common lick, and it's pretty interesting because if you would be transposing that lick in all other keys, which is 11 other keys, because there's only 12 keys total, it would give you more vocabulary if you'd like to improvise. And don't forget that you could always modify that lick as much as you want. You can modify the beginning, the middle, or the end if you like. I'll show you a couple examples of that at the end of this video. So for now, let's just hear how this lick sounds. So let's start by looking at the rhythm in this lick. It's actually all 8 notes, so that's pretty easy. It's all even, okay? Even if we swing the 8 notes, but it's still not that complicated, okay? First note is an F sharp. After that, you got a D, then a B, and another F sharp, but an octave lower. And it sounds like that. If you look carefully, it's actually a B minor arpeggio, okay? Just like reverse because it starts on the F sharp, which is the 5th of the B minor 7. I like to talk about degrees like that because if you ever want to transpose in other keys, it's way simpler when you have the degrees in your head instead of just thinking about the notes. If you think degrees, way easier, guys. I'm telling you. Please do this if you want to simplify your life. Let's practice that together. I'm going to put a metronome pretty slowly on beat 2 and beat 4 just because we're swinging here, so it's kind of easier to swing the 8 notes, and we're going to be looping these 2 beats. So only the 2 beats and then 3, 4. I'm going to count 3, 4 and then we go back to that very first beat, okay? We're just doing this. I like to do that to repetition, and when we're able to play that, we can move on to the next step, okay? Let's try. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, let's move on to beat 3 and 4. What notes do we have here? We have an A sharp, we have an F sharp, we have an A natural, and then an F sharp again. So it's only this. Let's try that together with the metronome. I'm just gonna count 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, now let's try to loop the first bar together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Last time. 3, 4. Let's now move to the second bar, okay? On the 5th chord, on the E7 chord, what notes do we have on the first beat? We have a G sharp and a B. which is the major third and the fifth of the E7, okay? So G sharp and B, let's try that together with the metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's now look at the second beat of the second bar. We have here a D and a E, which is the flat 7 of the E7 chord and the tonic, the root, okay? So only these two notes again with the metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're now ready to try beat 1 and 2 of the second bar, okay? Let's loop that together with the metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4. Let's now look at beat 3 of the second bar. What do we have here for notes? We have actually F and F, which is pretty simple, okay? 8 notes. Let's try that with the metronome again. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. How's it going so far? I hope it goes well for you. Let's now try the second bar together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. We're almost done, guys. Only one bar left, okay? So what do we have on the A major 7 chord? We have a C sharp and an E, which are the major third and the fifth of the A major 7 chord, okay? So it goes like that. Only this, okay? Let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 4. Alright guys, we're now ready to try the whole thing together. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last time. That lick is only a reference. You could always modify some parts of it if you'd like. Let's say I modify the ending, okay? Or I could change the beginning. Okay, you see I just put something at the beginning. Just instead of. Or you can modify the rhythm too. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this kind of video. Let me know in the comment section. Also, if you'd like more content like this, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Ever since I know your name, you strapped me on this cloud for a joyride. Hope every kiss would be the same.